It's a beautiful look of Heathrow Airport International Arrivals Terminal 2, the Queen's Terminal. You know, early in the morning, this is how it can be, very beautiful looking indeed. And international arrivals, this is the section. You see, obviously, many passengers arriving in the country, London, England. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the London train services at the London Heathrow Terminal 2 arrival point. Here we go. Please come along with this video. Free train or stuff like that. Here you are very much closer to join the Elizabeth line. I can take you to central to east part of London. Elizabeth line from this point. Get a ticket or use your card to use this line to actually enter the line. It's the newest line, Elizabeth line, from Heathrow to various parts of London City. The ticket area. About to move on to other places across the UK. This is how it looks in the morning. Arrive in the Heathrow Terminal 2 in London, and can as much from here take the subway to either Terminal 3, or you're going to take a look at underground buses, Elizabeth line, Heathrow, Terminal 4 and 5 as well, where people are queuing up here because it's so busy in the morning. They say that there are actually staircase that people can use, staircase to lift terminal buses, not on the ground, lift to trains, either to other terminals or possibly. But this is kind of a very busy, long queue here. And attendants are helping people that they can't as much go and use the stairs if they can. But some people carry luggages, may have to stay here, to use the lifts, which is very much, comfortable and easier to use with all these luggages. Yeah, I am too. At the Terminal 2 Heathrow Airport, giving you the details about the airport tours and how things are going. And updates on this channel. Please stay tuned on KBD News Box for more. Thank you for watching. And enjoy your trip. So, lifts to buses, car parks, hotels, and car rentals. As you can see the signage over there. Oh, this is the arrival point of the Heathrow Terminal 2.
Just find it and take it, don't ever regret it. Make me your only one. Choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be God.